Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronsah, also known as Sasa, and today I'm prepping my hair for my protective style. I'm planning to get knotless braids. So today I'm blow drying my hair with the Revlon blow drying brush. I haven't used it in a long time because I've been using the Revlon, but today I'm going to put it to the test. So before we get into it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Today's video is all about getting that flawless blowout without all the extra hassle. I'm going to show you how I blow dry my natural hair using the Revlon one-step paddle brush. Right now I'm showing you guys my hair and doing a quick length check. And here's my hair from the back. Ignore that twist. I washed and deep conditioned my hair 2 days ago and I put them into 6 braids. I unraveled them today. So now we're about to section my hair. The way you prep your hair before putting in a new protective style is very important. So I would like to make sure my hair still has some moisture before I blow dry. To protect my hair from heat damage, I'm going to use this heat protectant. This is my go-to. And I'm also going to use the Not On My Watch leave-in conditioner. It's also important to make sure your hair is at least a little damp. Not too soaking wet. Not too soaking wet, just a little damp. Applying the leave-in conditioner. Only need a little bit. Do not apply too much product when blow drying your hair. I'm not a big fan of combs, but when I'm blow drying my hair, I want it to be tangled thoroughly, so I do use a comb. So right now I'm going to put it on high heat for a little bit. Trying to get the camera to focus. For the blow dryer settings, we have high, low, and cool. It is also pretty loud. Right now, I'm using the tension method. The tension method refers to a technique where you hold a section of your hair as straight as you can and apply constant tension with the brush while directing the airflow from the blow dryer down the hair shaft to achieve a smooth, sleek finish with minimum frizz. Then I put it onto low heat. And then I would do a cool blast. keep my hair from shrinking up, I'm just going to twist that section right back up. That was pretty fast, not gonna lie. When you got thick hair like mine, it's just best to do it in sections. I do like medium sections, medium to small sections. On to the next section. Here's a tip. Make sure you're working from the ends to the roots and don't rush. A little patience goes a long way when you're trying to avoid breakage. Sometimes I get asked, how often do I blow dry my hair? I usually blow dry my hair about every 3 weeks, but it depends on the style that I am planning to achieve. If you have low hair porosity like me, my hair takes forever to dry, so I highly suggest washing your hair one day and blow drying your hair a separate day. I always get the best results when I don't wash my hair and blow dry my hair in the same day. Years ago, I made a video on YouTube on how was my first time attempting to blow dry my natural hair. And I have improved so much since then. So if you guys have any questions or things you are struggling with, feel free to ask in the comments. I am happy to help. are some ways to avoid heat damage when blow drying your natural hair.
Always use a heat protectant. A heat protectant is used to shield your strands from high temperatures. Also, make sure that you are using the right blow dryer for you. And make sure that you are using a blow dryer with adjustable heat and speed settings. You can also start off by using the tension method when blow drying to reduce manipulation. Also, when blow drying, make sure you do not have the blow dryer on a high setting most of the time. Alternate between low and high as much as you can. And once you're finished with the section, do a cool shot to lock in moisture and reduce frizz. Lastly, don't overdo it and make sure to moisturize regularly or use an oil to seal your hair.
Now that I have twisted up all my hair, I am going to unravel it so I can show you guys the full results. So here are the final results. My hair is nice and stretched and it feels very soft. So that is it for today's video. The Revlon brush definitely passed the test for me, but I want to hear your thoughts. Have you tried this brush before? And what's your go-to blow drying tool for prepping your natural hair for a protective style? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who's thinking about trying this brush, and subscribe for more natural hair content. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys!